This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your PC. To begin, you will need to choose a robust Android emulator, which acts as a virtual Android device on your computer. Popular and highly effective options include BlueStacks and LD Player. Both offer excellent performance and compatibility. These emulators are crucial for simulating the mobile environment directly on your desktop, allowing you to run Android applications seamlessly. Selecting the right one is your first important step toward enjoying the game. Once you have selected your preferred emulator, the next step is to download and install it. Visit the official website of BlueStacks or LD Player and locate the download section. Download the installer file, which is typically a small application that guides you through the setup. Double-click the downloaded file and carefully follow the on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and conditions. Ensure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for a smooth and trouble-free installation process, usually requiring at least 4 GB of free disk space. After successful installation, launch the emulator to begin its initial setup. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you access to the Google Play Store. Take a moment to adjust the emulator's display settings, such as resolution and frames per second, for optimal visual clarity. For best performance, navigate to the Settings menu and allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the emulator, ensuring a fluid game. When the Zobo has finished simmering, take the pot off the heat. Allow the entire mixture to cool down to room temperature, which might take about 1 hour. Next, carefully strain the liquid using a fine mesh sieve or a clean cheesecloth into a large, clean pitcher or bowl. Discard all the solids, you only want the vibrant liquid. Now, add your desired sweetener, perhaps a half cup of sugar or some honey, stirring well until it completely dissolves into the Zobo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.